Look at your reflection right now, not the casual glance you take before work. I mean really look. What do you see? A tired face? Puffy eyes? A jawline that used to look sharper a few years ago? Here's a truth nobody tells you. You're not stuck with that face. You're not born average. You were simply never taught how to shape your face from the inside out. Every model, every actor, every person you think was born perfect, they weren't. They built their face through habits, discipline, and lifestyle. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do it. With five powerful science-backed habits that can literally transform your appearance in weeks. So if you're ready to stop being invisible and start turning heads the moment you walk into a room, stay till the end. This could be the start of your new face. Tip 1. Fix your posture. The foundation of an attractive face. You can have the best genetics in the world, but if your posture is bad, your face collapses. Think about it. When you slouch, your neck leans forward, your jawline tucks in, your cheeks sag, and you instantly look less confident, even tired. But when you stand tall, shoulders back, chest open, your jaw naturally defines itself, your eyes open wider, and your presence changes. How to fix it? 1. Start with awareness. Throughout the day, check your posture every time you pick up your phone or sit at a desk. 2. Do neck retraction exercises. Push your chin slightly backward without tilting your head up. 3. Strengthen your upper back. Do face pulls, rows, and wall angels 3 to 4 times a week. After just 2 weeks, you'll notice your neck elongate, your jawline becoming visible, and your confidence skyrocketing. Good posture doesn't just make you look attractive, it broadcasts power. Tip 2. Nutrition and hydration. Build your face from the inside. Your skin, eyes, and facial structure are 80% nutrition. You can't fake glow with filters forever. The truth is, dehydration and poor diet are destroying your facial definition. If you wake up looking bloated, dull, or tired, your body is literally asking for help. Start here. Drink at least 3 liters of water daily. Hydration reduces puffiness and gives your skin a natural tightness. Eat foods high in collagen and vitamin C, salmon, eggs, citrus fruits, spinach, and bone broth. Add zinc and magnesium. They help regulate oil production and reduce acne. Avoid sugar and alcohol. Both break collagen bonds, making your face look older and softer. A clean diet doesn't just change your body, it sculpts your face. Your cheekbones will start to show, your skin will glow, and your eyes will look more alive. That's not luck, that's discipline showing on your face. Tip 3. Facial fitness and mewing. Train the muscles that shape you. Here's where things get serious. Your face has over 40 muscles, but most people never train them. Think of your body. When you work out consistently, it transforms. Your face works the same way. Here's how to start. 1. Mewing. Keep your tongue flat against the roof of your mouth, lips sealed, and teeth lightly touching. This posture lifts your face naturally. 2. Chew real food. Avoid soft diets and smoothies all the time. Chew meats, veggies, gum occasionally. It builds your masseter muscle, the jaw muscle. 3. Face yoga. Try simple routines like cheek lifts, eye squeezes, and neck stretches daily for 5 minutes. You'll be surprised. Within weeks, your jawline sharpens, your cheeks tighten, and your symmetry improves. This isn't about vanity. It's about unlocking your potential. Your face can become your strongest feature when you train it like any other muscle. Tip 4. Sleep and stress. The silent killers of your appearance. Ever seen someone who looks exhausted all the time? Puffy eyes, dull skin, no spark. That's not age, that's sleep debt. When you sleep less than 7 hours, your cortisol rises. Cortisol triggers inflammation, which holds water under your eyes and breaks collagen. You literally age faster. Fix this immediately. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. No compromise. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Your brain heals best in deep rest. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Blue light blocks melatonin. Meditate or breathe deeply before sleeping. It relaxes facial muscles and reduces tension. Stress isn't just mental. It shows on your face. The most attractive people look calm, centered, and in control. And that's something you can build with habits, not genetics. Tip 5. Grooming and facial expression mastery. The final step. Polish what you've built, because grooming isn't vanity, it's self-respect. Keep your beard or stubble trimmed to highlight your jawline. If clean-shaven suits you better, keep it sharp. Find a hairstyle that enhances your face shape. Consult a barber who understands proportion. But the real secret weapon, your expression. Attractive faces aren't just structured, they're controlled. Practice your neutral, confident face. Relaxed eyes, light squint, soft smile. Learn to hold calm energy in your expression. Models don't just have great bone structure. They've mastered their presence. Confidence isn't shouted, it's felt in silence. So here's the truth. Your face is a reflection of your lifestyle. Every drop of water, every meal, every hour of sleep, it all shows up right here. Pause. You don't need plastic surgery. You don't need filters. You just need discipline. Because being average is not your destiny. It's a decision. Starting today, you can choose differently. Stand tall, eat clean, train your face, sleep deeply, and wear your confidence like armor. In a few months, people will start saying, "You've changed. What did you do?" And you'll smile because you'll know the truth. You built your face. If you found value in this video, don't just watch, act. Subscribe, because next week, I'm revealing the morning routine that makes your face glow 24/7. Until then, go become the version of yourself you've always wanted to be.